Nice size ham, eh? 16 pounds, 8 ounces. Nice ham. Smoked for just over 5.5 hours, and I'm just turning up the temperature. It's been treated with paprika and garlic and salt, cracked pepper, melted glazed honey, and what else? Onion powder. But mostly it's been garlic, honey, and attached paprika. Then I'm going to sugar glaze the outside of it once it's done cooking. I can't wait to eat this thing. It's so good. There you go. Can't see the flame, but you can see a lot of the color that's happening on this ham. It's bone-in ham. You can see the tip of the bone there. Oh, looks so good. Takes up almost my entire Traeger grill. And we're just gonna run a temperature check on it real quick. I don't think we're there yet, but we'll find out. In the middle, right up in the side. Some Celsius, so we're looking for it to be done at around 60. So I've caramelized it and treated it now. We're pumping the heat to it. We ain't there yet, nowhere near. So she can sit in here for a while yet. No problem. And we'll just keep her cooking.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm very polite. Oh, these are nice bugs. Chop it.
It's steaming the camera.